Going on YouTube? Thought I'd bring to you the next project, 69 Camaro. This thing is all original, man. Got a 307 in it, green on green, untouched car. It's probably been painted though previously. I want to say probably 10 years ago roughly, but thought I'd give you guys a pre tear down. So check it out. Trying to bring as much content as I can to you guys, but this is all pre-stage of what we're gonna do. Got a 307 in it right now, AC car. Runs really good actually, nice and smooth. So got a green interior, really clean AC car, look at that, nice. Gauges are all nice and clean still. Back seat, nice and clean. So the plans for this one, we got Speed Tech, subframe. We got the whole Speed Tech back with the torque arm. Got a 9-inch from Dutchman. Going in the back of that is shortened. We're gonna mini tub it. Gonna go some 19 by 12s in the back. LS3, 4L80, AC. Doing the coded digital gauges. So this thing's gonna be killer when it's done. He does want to paint the car and redo interior and all that, kind of go a totally different color, but I think for right now, I think we're gonna keep it like this, because man, this paint shop right now has just been crazy trying to get this guy out for the summer, you know. So I think we just leave it green with the green interior, do everything we're gonna do to it, be a killer ride. So we're gonna shave the firewall too. Whole engine bay is gonna get nice and clean, probably a gloss black. You go full LEDs on it. We'll do LED tail lights on it. We're gonna do tilt column on it as well, because it's not tilt right now. We're gonna rhino line the whole bottom of the undercarriage once we have this thing torn apart. We got Willwood 6-piston, 13-inch brakes for it, front and back. So, yep, well, there it is, fellas. This is the pre-stage of another great build about to happen. Try to keep you guys updated as much as I can. I'm not really good on videoing and all that good stuff. So, let's get to it.